Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am R.J. Mugirasi of class 9B. Today I am going to explain the poem The Road Not Taken from our English class 9 Beehive book. The Road Not Taken is written by Robert Frost. He is a well-known poet. He was born on 26th March 1874. He is known for his common, simple but insightful writing about common ordinary experiences. We all might have come across a situation in our life where we have to make a choice. We may not get everything we want, so we have to make a choice. The Road Not Taken poem is also about making choices, the choices that eventually shape our life. First stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Here the two roads symbolize the two choices in our life. Diverged means divided. Wood is forest, so the poet stands in a forest where two roads are divided. Here yellow wood is autumn season, because during autumn the leaves of the trees are yellow in color. And sorry I could not travel both. The poet knew that he could not travel both the roads at the same time. And so he stood there determining which way he has to go. He looked to one road as far as he could, to where it curved and finally disappeared in the undergrowth. Undergrowth means a thick population of trees and bushes. Let's take a look at the rhyming scheme. Here would, stood and could are rhyming, so we can give it the name A. Both and undergrowth are rhyming, so we can give it the name B. Second stanza. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. In the second stanza, the poet takes a look at the other road, just as fair, because to him both the roads are equally important. So in order to make the right decision, he takes a look at the other road just as fair. And it was having a better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. When will something be grassy? When something is abandoned for a long amount of time, plants and shrubs grow all over it and make it grassy. The same thing happens to the path. Wanted wear is alliteration. Words starting with the same consonant sound in the same line is called alliteration. Though as for that the passing there. But when the poet passed through the road, he realized that even though one of the road is frequently used and the other is not frequently used, both of them hold the equal amount of challenges. Now let's take a look at the rhyming scheme. Fair, where and there are rhyming, so we can name it as A. Claim and same are rhyming, so we can name it as B. The rhyming scheme is AB, AAB. Third stanza. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first road for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. In the third stanza, both the roads looked similar to each other, because it was covered with yellow leaves. The poet was perhaps the first traveller to travel that day. He says so because both the roads were covered with yellow leaves, and it was not turned black by the steps of the traveller. Trodden means walked upon. He kept the other road for another day, but he knew that one way leads to another way and other. He wondered if he would ever be able to come back and take the other road. Lay, day and way are rhyming to each other, so we can name it as A. Black and black are rhyming, so we can name it as B. The rhyming scheme is ABAAB. Fourth stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. In this stanza, the poet says that he will be telling this story somewhere years from now with a sigh. A sigh is letting out a deep breath of happiness, sadness or relief. If the choice of the poet was right, it would have been a sigh of happiness, and if the choice was wrong, it would have been a sigh of sadness. I took the one less travelled by. In this line, the poet describes his free spirit and unique nature about not following the crowd and doing what his mind insists him to do. And that has made all the difference. The rhyming scheme of the poem is sigh, by and I are rhyming, so we can name it as A. Hence and difference are rhyming, so we can name it as B. The message of this poem. Robert Frost's poem The Road Not Taken seems to hold out the moral life is a continuous journey full of divergence now and then. The important thing is to move on without looking back whether the choices of path taken was right or wrong. The right or wrong are relative terms. We cannot get everything in life and have to make choices. Whatever direction in our life takes is determined by the choice made by us. Now let us see the poetic devices used in the poem. Symbolism. Two roads are the symbols. They symbolize the two choices. Anaphora. And is being repeated in the first stanzas 2, 3 and 4th lines. Repetition. Ages and ages are being repeated in the 4th stanza. Thank you.
SRMJV is not just a school, it's a one-time experience.
VM Nagar, Tiruvallur,